Party being maintenance, it's a little hairy sometimes. Oh, something's in there. Gotta get it out. What could it be? What could it be? Is it plastic? No. Is it more plastic? No. Man, what would happen if right now that power came on? Good God, I'd be mangled. I'd be mangled. Don't hit the button. Don't hit the button. I can't find it. It's in here, motherfucker's in here somewhere. Oh, found it. Oh, hell. It's a big one. Damn screw. It's stuck. Come on now there, you bastard. It's stuck in there good. I can't turn it. Oh, it's stuck good. This is a good one right here. Oh, we gonna get it. Is it coming or not? I don't know, man. Can't turn it. Oh, couldn't get it. It's a rough one. Left hand. Come on. Come on. This is the toughest one ever, man. Toughest one ever. Oh! Look at that beautiful piece of shit. That's right.